Guys, making this quick video here. I got a new job, as you can tell, working on coach buses. So here, rate my welding. It's not great, but I welded these plates in here. Yes, I'm not a welder. Okay, I'm not a fucking welder, but whatever, I don't care. Had to weld in some plate. Same back there. But yeah, I will be making videos about coach buses. So if anybody wants to see more mechanical stuff on this channel, like it used to be when I was working on school buses, stay tuned, because I'll be working on these big bastards. So if you're wondering about air disc brakes, that's what they look like. You got your doohickey in the back there to your whatchamacallit with your thingamajiggers in there. So there you go. And if you think I'm serious about them, I'm kidding. Pads, caliper, brake chamber. But yes, so this is the new job, working coach buses. When I get some time, I'll show you guys the motors on these things. Detroit 60s and a Volvo. All the air and shit like that on these things. These are Prevos, by the way. That's your frame. It's just this metal that goes across. They rust out, so I had to weld in some plate. That's where the airbag will go. This is the tag axle. This is your drive. That's your giant differential in the back of here. Anybody want to know? So we put that on there so it wouldn't burn through the airbag. But yeah, so back to wrenching again. So anybody wants to see some diesel stuff or big bus stuff or anything like that, stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, think about hitting that subscribe button, because I got a lot more to come your way, and there's a lot of good stuff on this channel. Check out my other videos. Feel free to go back in time, like 2 years ago when I was working on school buses, and watch some diesel repair videos or my tool reviews and other fun stuff on this channel. So we'll talk to you guys later.